In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a small little set of tire pressure gauge, actually Bluetooth tire pressure gauge for like a motorcycle, or what I'm going to be using them for is an e-bike. So let me just kind of like go over what these things are. You can see they came in a little box like this, and the actual name of them, they just got them called the LEEPEE motorcycle tire pressure sensor. And you know what? Let's just open them up. So right away, you get a little set of instructions, and the instructions go over how to place them on there, how to put the locking mechanism, how to use the app. But let me tell you guys, I've already used these, and it was extremely easy. The app that you're going to use is called MotoCare app, and then you're going to have to bind them. So you're going to have to attach them to the app. This is like just some kind of precautionary stuff right there. But let me just show you what you get in the box here. So what comes in the box is a security wrench. I will show you how to use that. These are the actual tire pressure sensor gauges themselves. These are Bluetooth. You can only connect two to this app. Yeah, so to make these things work, what you're going to do, it needs to work on a Schrader valve on a motorcycle or e-bike. You're going to screw this down first, get your little supplied wrench there, tighten this, screw that down, then screw this down on top, then tighten that up, and it makes it where you can't get these off without a wrench. So let's go ahead, let's take these outside. I'll put it on the e-bike and I'll pull the app up and I'll show you how well I can monitor my tire pressure, you know, with these little Bluetooth tire pressure sensors. So let's go out there now. Okay, everybody, I just went ahead and topped them, both my back tire and my front tire, off with my little air compressor here. This is actually a very handy air compressor I carry with me. I went ahead and put them on. Let me just kind of like show you how I put them on, and I'll show you how this app works too. So see how the front has 84.9 on the Fahrenheit and 20 PSI in this front tire. And this is coming completely from this. And then the back is 85.8, which is slightly higher for whatever reason, and then it's 18.8, which is not enough for me to worry about. I have these set. When it goes below, you can go to the settings, and here's all of the settings, and I actually have a voice warning in this. Check this out. So let's go ahead and take this off and listen to my phone. It just let me know my pressure's too low. You can see I have it set at 14. Let's go back home. It's on 0, so it's letting me know that, hey, you got a problem. You need to add some air. And to put this thing on, very simple. You just screw this little locking mechanism. Let me show you real quick. On the Schrader valve, you're going to screw that down first, and then screw this down till it gets tight, and then tighten that up, hand tight, and then get the little wrench and just tighten it until it gets tight right here. And then check it out. You can't take that off. See how it's locked into place? I could break it off, but I can't turn that off at all. So it's not going to come off on that. Now, obviously, these are made more for motorcycles than a bicycle. But you know what? I don't have a motorcycle, and they're very affordable. And then I've been wanting to have something like this just to monitor my air pressure in my e-bikes like this. So I think it's a great option for anyone that has an e-bike that just wants to run a, you know, a little tire pressure gauge. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Bluetooth, the LEEPEE Bluetooth tire pressure gauge. See y'all in the next video.